nothing. Every review is a good thing to correct something, the blowhole, the sound, whatever. Okay? So now let's do a little bit of what we're doing together as a group, which is hop, cross, gone. And we're going to do it on the D string, but we're only going to do, just to warm up right now, we're going to go